Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market in the last 24 hours, you guys might have noticed that the entire market has been extremely volatile. Bitcoin climbed all the way to 96,000 and there was a really strong pullback, pushing it just under 94k. After that, the entire crypto market was shaken up and become extremely volatile, and the special category that's doing some crazy numbers in the last 24 hours is definitely meme coins. And to talk about specific ones, Pegu, Pepe and Filecoin are the three which have been leading and exploding. And out of those, if you talk about the largest meme coins, everyone knows Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Pepe are the three largest, and Pepe has done about 12% in the last 24 hours. This would be a perfect time to get into the original Pepe token. Now, if you guys do not know, initially when Pepe meme was actually released, it wasn't just called Pepe, it was rather called Pepe meme coin, and that's what has the largest amount of following right now, close to 540,000. So that's what Jeff Bezos follows. Now that's just one of the largest names that I could think of right now, and that should give you perspective. Now this meme coin, which is going to be released, is still in a pre-sale stage. The most memorable Pepe meme is the original Pepe. The dogs have had their day. It's time for Pepe to resign and pretty much, take over the entire crypto market. If we talk about the market cap right now, I mean, it's still in a pre-sale stage, but it's at 2.8 million. And if you compare it to the actual Pepe meme coin right now, you guys can see it's sitting at about 8.4 billion. Let's say it doesn't even reach this amount. The reason I'm giving you guys a narrative is because it's very similar narrative to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu was pretty much created as an opposing force to Dogecoin, and that's exactly the same thing happening with Pepe coin, as Pepe coin is going to be competing with Pepe. Now there is a lot of things happening with Pepe coin. It's not just a random meme coin. They have a game which is tap your way to rewards, compete, fun tasks and social challenges to earn exclusive airdrops and valuable tokens. Airdrop hub, enter the Pepe verse hub where endless airdrop awaits. Player versus player matches, prove your skill and climb the leaderboard, and you guys will be able to also join the socials. The app will be coming out very soon for Android and Apple. They're going to be launching a launchpad. Launchpad empowers project to launch meme coins which pre-market and whitelist option exclusive for Pepe meme holder. And if you do decide to buy, you can also go ahead and stake it away for now. For the people who might have the question now, how do I actually buy it? I already have heard enough. Well, simply go to the description of this video and click on the website. Then you guys will arrive on this website. Simply click on buy now. You will be on this website, and then you just need to connect your wallet, decide on how much you would like to put into the Pepe token, and then you guys will be given the coin. Now you guys can see the chart is very clear. It's just constantly going up as more and more people are actually investing in it, and the total holders are already at 2,800. So over time that's definitely going to be going up. And how big you are, or how much you purchase, you guys will be receiving a bonus inside of Pepe coin. So right now we are still in a very early stage, and there is definitely a lot to happen. And you can see Jeff Bezos, Matthew Perry, Crypto Costa, even Christy and Jeff, they're all pretty much part of Pepe meme coin, and they have talked about it. There's over 500,000 plus community that's around this token and 40,000 members. 37% goes to the community for the tokenomics, 14% to airdrop, 3% to funds, 8% to contributors, and 12% to private sale, with 20% to auction and 2% to advisors. So business insiders have covered it, and definitely more and more things are going to be covering it. Even their Twitter influence is huge. In 6 hours they're already getting a good amount of retention, and on Telegram they have over 35,000 members. As I mentioned, if you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. It's really good token in my opinion. But at the end of the day, do your own research. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys my opinion. Now what's really interesting is in Q3 they want Pepe verse, social media, launchpad, and over 5KK plus community and 10KK plus players. So a lot of bigger and bigger things are going to be happening with the coin. Again, do your own research, take your time, and then decide. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day ahead. 2025 is going to be huge for everyone, and I hope you had a safe holiday with your family, and I'll see you very soon.